Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Felipe Charm. My neighbors can hear me, can't they? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Felipe Charming, and in this video I went ahead and gave you guys an update on my super secret nose job, which in essence is basically just how I contour my nose. And I felt like it was time for an update just in case anyone's still referring to that as how I contour my nose. Now, before we get into the tutorial, hit that subscribe button, turn your post notifications on, show some love, like this video, and let me know if you enjoy my content so that I can know to keep creating content that you guys love. Okay? Okay. Now, I guess we can get into the tutorial. Starting off, I highlight the high points of my face as usual using LA Girl Pro Concealer's Toffee, and then I'd focus my highlight on the tip and the bridge of my nose in the shape of an exclamation point, just to kind of draw the eye to the center of the nose. My forehead look a little crazy, my edges look a little crazy, and you'll understand once you see my next video. I'm just doing a little bit of lip syncing. Still don't know what song I was singing. Comment down below if you guys can figure it out. So when blending my concealer out, I try my hardest to kind of blend it out without moving the concealer around so much so that I kind of keep that shape of an exclamation point. Excuse the lip syncing. I keep blending the line out until it's as defined but seamless as possible. That solid happy medium. Now, when I'm blending my under eye concealer, I take the concealer up onto the sides of my nose. That way when I'm contouring my nose, I can keep the focus on the center. That's kind of the goal here, so that I can get the shape that I want. To keep everything symmetrical, of course, I do the same thing on both sides. I do like to set the high points of my face using Coty Airspun setting powder. I kind of wanted to show you guys this because I feel like when I bake it kind of helps sculpt the shape of my nose. I just like to give like a soft bake. I don't really bake heavily like how I used to, but I more so just like to set the high points of my face. After setting my face, I go ahead and take this shade in the Ruby Kisses Powder Contour Kit. It's like the softest brown in the dark contour kit, I believe it's called. I really, really love this. This is like the icing on the cake. Like when I just bronze up my nose, it just snatches her right on up. And it just gives me a whole new nose shape. But as you can see, I just kind of take it up to my brow and down to the bridge and tip of my nose, and then create a division using the same contour shade. And I just blend this out, creates the illusion of a pointed, slimmer nose, but in a soft and natural looking way. And this line is still looking a little harsh, but do not fret because I am going to be applying some face powder using Sephora's Micro Smooth, and I just kind of lightly dust off whatever setting powder may be there, and other times I just kind of set the setting powder so that I don't get any type of flashback. And finally, sometimes I do like to take some highlighter and add it to the center of my nose, directly in between my eyelids, again just to draw the eyes to the center of my nose as well as the tip of my nose. And of course I'll highlight the inner corner of my eyes. This kind of just adds to the illusion or the effect that I'm trying to convey, and I just always highlight my inner corner, and that's pretty much it. I left my eyes bare, by the way, because I was doing a look after this, but be sure to comment any suggestions or makeup tips that you guys may have for me. I hope this video was helpful. I hope these tips work for you guys, and yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and while you're here, you should probably go ahead and get into my last video. Cute little setup. You know, it's a cute video, cute, got some bops in there, got a look in there, whatever, and let the kid know what's up. Alright.